In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking. Basically, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Cardano value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Cardano is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what especially is Cardano and its to-date history, which generally is genuinely critical. What is Cardano, which is genuinely critical? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its really own coin named ADA in an unobtrusive manner, notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital money. The Cardano network empowers shrewd agreements and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparable blockchain. Cardano value forecast, which is genuinely critical. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the time of some kind or another. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the genuinely inverse heading and alter the course, which is very critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will basically begin to do likewise. We certainly have seen this situation many generally times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike in an unobtrusive manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each task. Essentials that we truly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other especially restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0405 plus 4.27% $0. 3963-2023-04 061.93% $0 3727-2023-04 07 plus 6.17% $0 4035 2023-04 082.82% $0 3693-2023-04 09 plus 4.36% $0 3966-2023-04 10 plus 5.37% $0 4005 2023-04 11 plus 1.64% $0 3863-2023-04 124.53% $0 3628-2023-04 13 plus 1.93% $0 3874 2023-04 146.00% $0 3572-2023-04 153.48% 36 cents Cardano value forecast 2023 high expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively especially really great for the bulls in opposition to mainstream thinking. We will most likely see a great deal of kind of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to, all things considered, slip lower with every minor market quake. Captain Altcoin's forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APRA 8.32% $0 3484 2023 May 27.28% $0 2764 2023 June 18.96% $0 3080 2023 Joel 11.09% $0 3379 2023 AUG 6.76% $0 $3543-2023 SEP plus 3.36% $0. 3928-2023 OCT plus 7.09% $0. 4070-2023 NOV plus 12.80% $0. 4287-2023 DEC plus 28.84% $0. 4897-2024 JAN plus 32.10% $0. 5020-2024 Feb plus 38.79% $0. 5275-2024 Blemish plus 51.50% 57 cents a dia value forecast 2025, which is very critical. Our forecast model sees ADA coming to 90 cents in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years, which is very critical? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 88 cents. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040 amazingly. What Cardano will be worth in 2030. Our Guojing model sees Cardano coming to $2.26 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Cardano coming to $4.51 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't generally supplant or truly overwhelm BTC. Could Cardano in every way that really matters at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could sort of reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Might Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Might Cardano at any point really reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the extremely short or mid-term period, or so they thought. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We explicitly are backers of respectably unsafe money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise interest in a significant manner? Cardano is, very much like all very other digital forms of money, a dangerous speculation in opposition to prevalent thinking. It has most certainly higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, especially dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 22 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.26 or even genuinely higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and get more expensive? Cardano certainly has a generally excellent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.26 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most kind of normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of very much planned showcasing